Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, LiaLeigh, and I appreciate y'all for clicking on this video. I really do. Thank you. I do want to let y'all know that I did post my Fenty Skin update, basically for me using it after 30 days. And make sure y'all check out that video. This video has been requested numerous times, and I've actually created this video numerous times as well. And I'm going to recreate it again for y'all today. So clearly, if y'all are watching this, you want to know what my secret is and what I do to maintain a healthy lifestyle and maintain like my weight. If you're wanting to continue to watch this video, I appreciate you. Make sure you comment dope down below and let's get into it. So first and foremost, women mostly, of course, women are always asking me, how do I keep up my physical appearance? How do I eat what I eat and still look the same, even after so many years? Because I post so many throwback pictures and people are like, wow, like what do you do? Like, what is the secret? What are you not telling us? And I'm gonna let y'all know right now. I mentioned it in a video before about how important genetics are, and I don't know if people don't believe me or don't take that into consideration for themselves, but genetics is like extremely important, and I feel like it plays such an important role in how our bodies react the way they react, or bounce back or don't bounce back, or whatever the situation may be pertaining to you. But genetics is something that I take into consideration with everything, like physically. And my parents, just a background on my parents and both sides of the family, my dad is and has always been athletic, like an athletic build. He is like 6'2", 6'3", maybe like 215, and has always pretty much been that weight. My mom is 5'3". She's a smaller person. She's small. Over the years, she has picked up weight, as well as my dad. Those are my parents. On my dad's side, I have a lot more fuller sized women, and they're always telling me and my other cousins that we need to watch what we eat, make sure we do this, make sure we do that, so we don't look like them when we get older. Which you know, of course we do what we do to make sure we look great now as well as in the future. I feel like the older family members are kind of gravitating more to a healthy lifestyle now because it's so everywhere in the media. You know, back in the day, nobody was promoting eating healthy. So now it is everywhere, and with them being on social media, it kind of is like, okay, well, let me do this, change this, take this out of my lifestyle as far as like meat sometimes, or even for like a certain period of time. So that's that. High blood pressure, of course, runs common in my dad's side of the family. And I feel like that's just due to lack of exercise and poor eating habits. My mom's sisters are athletic, and they have always been athletic. My mom was athletic when she was younger, but my aunts are like still athletic. They're both in the military and healthy. My grandmother on my mom's side, like healthy. She, like, you know, eats pretty clean. Of course, nobody eats like super duper like, oh my gosh, I aspire to be like you one day. But everybody eats in portions to make sure that like nobody's overeating or just, you know what I'm saying, eating too unhealthy. Moving on to my personal diet. So there's times of the month where I feel like I just have cravings. And personally, I'm going to indulge in those cravings just because I feel like I can. Like, what am I not eating what I want to eat for? So with that, I eat what I want to eat when I want to eat it, unless it's like going out to eat or something. It's like I do that in moderations, just because like eating out can be extremely expensive versus just buying groceries and cooking my own food. As far as like food that I do like to eat a lot is shrimp. I like cereal, like the junk sugary foods, I do eat a lot of. As far as cereals, Pop-Tarts, like oatmeal, all those that have like bad sugars and trans fats and like all the grams of all, you know, all that stuff that's like, it really don't do nothing really for us, and you know, that stuff. So I love candy. I have a crazy sweet tooth, whether it's chocolate, whether it's chocolate chip cookies, whether it's fruity candy, Gushers. I eat it, y'all, like, and I eat it and I sit and eat sometimes, especially if I'm like watching TV or like, you know, watching Netflix. My favorite snack is potato chips, and I've always been like that. My parents eat junk food late at night as well, especially some kettle chips, salt and vinegar or original. Some good stuff. Moving on, I like french fries, starches, breads, just like everybody else. I eat subs sometimes too many times during the month, like, and that's a lot of bread, y'all, we all know. And I get the Jersey Mike's giant sub, okay? So we know that's a lot going on. So I just eat freely, y'all. I drink coffee sometimes. I drink a lot of water. Right now, I am still keeping up with my celery juice being the first thing that I'm intaking in the morning and just for my day. That's helping me stay regular and go to the bathroom. If some people are not regular, I really suggest drinking celery juice. The first thing that you drink, eat in the morning, like as soon as you get up. It has helped me, and nothing has ever helped me the way celery juice is helping me now, so I recommend it. As well as with my diet, and I have stated this on Instagram, that I eat in proportions, correct? Well, healthy and reasonable proportions, y'all. I don't like mound my plate up with food if I'm not hungry. If I am hungry, I still eat. Like, I don't, pretty much, if I'm not hungry, I really don't be eating like that. I may pick up like a snack or something, but I don't really just eat to eat. I don't do that. Moving on to exercise, I have recently been walking / running. I ran yesterday, and that's just so I feel like I don't fall too far off my game. I enjoy exercising. I've always enjoyed exercising. I've always been somewhat athletic and active, definitely active. Ran track through middle school, high school. Had the opportunity to run through college, but I did not want to do that. Ran through college anyway because I enjoy running, like exercising on my own free time. And I continue to run and walk now. It's just something that naturally comes to me. I love running. I love working out. So that just comes easy. I don't do any extreme lifting or weights and stuff like that. I had a gym membership and I recently canceled it because of what's going on, you know, with COVID. I canceled it back a couple months ago. Water intake, honestly, I'm probably doing like 3 to 5 bottles of water a day. I just got a really cool new water bottle that is sponsored. I'm not going to show y'all on this, but if you follow me on TikTok, you will see it on my next few TikToks. Keeps water cool and cold for like 36 hours. Crazy, and it's humongous. So that's something that I definitely been wanting, is a giant water bottle, so I don't have to keep reaching for, you know, one separate water bottle, or if I have a busy day and I need to be out of the house, I don't have to bring a whole bunch of water bottles with me. I'm just gonna give y'all like a breakdown really quickly of how I eat and like what I eat in a day. This is gonna be really quick. So a day in the life of me eating, waking up, I don't eat breakfast a lot of times just because I don't have an appetite in the morning. Just celery juice comes in. For lunch, I'll probably, if I had cooked dinner the night before, I'll have the leftovers. If I didn't cook, then I'll probably have like a sandwich, whether it's like a turkey and cheese sandwich or a PB&J and some chips. If I'm in the house, if I'm out, I'll probably stop by like Chick-fil-A. And then for dinner, recently I just made like some little tiny winglets in the oven, like baked chicken basically, but they were like extremely small. And I also cooked some cabbage and then some homemade mashed potatoes, like, you know, boiled the potatoes and made the mashed potatoes myself. So that's typically like how I eat. what I drink, water. I've recently been drinking ginger ale just because I don't know why, but I'm craving ginger ale like crazy, so I've been drinking it as well as with my water, as well as with the celery juice. And that's pretty much in my day. At night I snack a lot on candy when I'm in the bed. And for the most part, I just don't go over, like, I'm pretty sure my diet is in between 1,500 to 1,800 calories. I know for sure I do not go over 2,000 calories. I will actually be very surprised if I did. If I do, I need to cut it out because that's way too many calories, and I don't necessarily work out every day. That's me, you guys. That is how I keep my shape. That is how your girl is looking the way she is looking at 27 years old. And yeah, that's all I got for y'all. If y'all have any questions, y'all know where to leave them down below in the comment section. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Turn your notifications on. Turn them on. I can look and see how many people have their notifications turned on. And I'm gonna need y'all to turn your notifications on. And if you are viewing this from the YouTube app, turn your YouTube app notifications on so you can see when I'm dropping content. Because even if you have them turned on, like on the website, that doesn't count as having your notifications turned on through the app and the website. It's like all in one. So yeah, turn them things on for me. Support y'all, girl. I just want y'all to watch my videos. I love y'all, and I'll see you on next video. Bye, y'all. About to go get my armpits lasered.